guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to kind of share this video with you guys because I wanted to show you guys how you can create a beautiful setup for a birthday party without having to break the bank. So for this video, I went ahead and collabed with my friend who was hosting her own birthday party. Everything turned out so beautifully, so I just wanted to go ahead and share all the details with you guys, where you guys can purchase similar items or the exact items to recreate this look. So I started off by hanging a couple shears. I think I used about 5 or 6 shears from Walmart. I will go ahead and link them down below. I found them super affordable at Walmart for $5 or $4.99, something like that. These garlands were from Michael's and they were pretty affordable. They were $19.99 each, and with a 40% off coupon plus an extra 10 military discount, we got them for a really good price. The happy birthday sign I found on Amazon, and it also had a Prime option, so if you're planning a last minute party, that would be great. It was super affordable, under $10. So she went ahead and ordered it. It looked exactly like it did online, and it just made this backdrop look even more stunning. So here's a fun fact. Originally, the backdrop plan was to just have the top area with the garland as the inspiration picture we found had. But we decided to go ahead and just frame it out to give it a framed out look, and also just to add more floral touches to the backdrop. I personally think this turned out so much better than what we originally intended to do. Now that the backdrop was done, it was time to go ahead and finish setting up the cake. I'm just here looking at an inspiration picture that she had for her naked cake, and I just went ahead and started cutting flowers, baby's breath, just to add the final touches to it. By the way, how stunning is this tablecloth? It had sequins and it's in a champagne color. She found it on Amazon. It was under $15, I think. I'll go ahead and link it for you guys if you guys are interested, but they had a ton of colors and they were super affordable. It definitely gives a high-end look, and it really adds a touch of glam. So as I was placing the last finishing touches on the cake to look similar to the inspiration picture, I did want to go ahead and just put my final own little twist to it. So I went ahead and placed one of the cookies that she had left over right next to the macaroons, and I really think it turned out really great. I always like to take inspiration from something but also make it my own. So I really thought that the final touch was great, and I'll show you guys a close-up of that in a little bit. So because there were 2 leftover cookies, I did decide to use one on the cake, but then there was also a happy birthday cookie that was left over that didn't have a place to call home. And so I went ahead and just placed it over by the little tree branch with the tea lights, and I thought it was the perfect place for it. So to finish off the Macaroon Towers, I'm just adding the little floral accents that the baker created. I love that my friend decided to go ahead and go with Macaroon Towers because they were so different and just so adorable. And I'll go ahead and show you guys a clip of what they looked like up close after. So here's the big reveal of the dessert table. Everything turned out so beautiful. A lot of these items, you guys, I've had from Target dollar spot that I've had over time, but I mean, they were so affordable. You really could create such a beautiful setup without having to break the bank. So the welcome sign was actually one that I DIY'd a long time ago. These tea light holders were from the Dollar Tree, and this lantern was a gift from Christy Mel. My friend actually made the cake pops, and this is what the cake ended up looking like once I was done with it. These gold chargers were actually from the Dollar Tree, and where the cookies rested were actually wall art. You can really get really creative with this, you guys, and it'll save you a ton of money in the end. These butterflies were also a gift from one of her friends, and I really wanted to display them, and I thought next to the cake would be the perfect place for them. Here's a close-up of the Macaroon Towers. Aren't they just the cutest? This tree branch I actually bought during Christmas. I bought it from Home Goods a couple years ago. So next was the Fondue Station, and I'm so sorry you guys, I didn't record myself setting this up, but the Celebrate sign I picked up from Target a couple months ago, or maybe even last year. I think it was only $3, but they always have cute signs like this for such an affordable price. The number 29 I hung up with some fishing wire, and it was actually from my daughter's monthly photo shoot pack. I don't know, it just brings a whole bunch of numbers, and I purchased it at Burlington a while ago. This backdrop, I just thumbtacked several sheets, I think it was about 3 on top of each other to create this. By the way, I did end up fixing the side on the left. I know it kind of looks a little off. I did just forget to record it after, so I apologize about that. Here my friend is just adding some food coloring to the Fondue Station just because the chocolate didn't come in any other color besides this one, and also dark chocolate. Really quickly, I just want to thank Lixandri for allowing me to help her with her birthday party vision, and I just want to wish you a happy birthday. I hope you had an amazing day, and congratulations on your new business venture. To view the pictures and also get all the details, make sure to click the link in the description bar to my blog. I will have a separate post with all the pictures on there for you guys to check out. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you really liked it, and I will see you guys in the next one.